side.
All right, guys, this is her first day doing the slide all by herself.
Sit.
So today's kind of a big day.
Go around, show to them how you slide.
It's her first time doing it on her own.
Slow down. Make it slow.
There you go, nice and slow. Keep on holding on to the handle. Good job.
Good job. Hold on to
Remember
the
to
side.
get the handle. All right, good job.
Good job.
And put your butt down first and go. Nice.
Your arm. You're so fast. Go one more time.
You got to take a break for dancing.
All right, you ready?
Nice and slow. Good job.
Nice and slow. Hold on
All right,
to the
use
side.
those handles. There you go. Jimmy Eat World. Nice. Very good. Best.
Good job.
Do everything you can.
Dance first.
Take some time. Thank you. Thank you.
Side
Good job.
to sit
Put your
down.
behind first, then go. Remember, you gotta exit. You gotta exit around. There you go.
Nice and slow.
This is our third playground today,
Yep. Hold
so she had lots of practice all day.
Sit down.
Good job.
Go.
Wow. Very good job. Come this way. Come this way. Very good. Very good.
Yep, this is the third playground. And this time we're watching the concert.
Yeah, this time we have music. What'd you find, Alif?
Yeah.
Nice job. You're a pro. Very good. 3, 2. Wow. What do you have to say for yourself? Man, first day going down the slide all by yourself. Oh, you have a very unique way of getting off the slide.
It's funny because her cousin is doing gymnastics, like head up.
Oh,
She's copying her.
I know. Just wait till she sees other kids going, you know, on her stomach, on their back, going backwards.
Head, toes, head. Yay! Okay, sit down.
Very
3,
good.
2, 1, go!
She's not looking. Very good.
Well, I'm going out west where I belong, where the days are short and the nights are long. Well, they walk and I walk, they twist and I twist, they shimmy and I shimmy, they fly and I fly. Well, they're out there having fun in the warm California sun. Well, I'm going out west right on the coast, where the California girls are really the most. Well, they walk and I walk, they twist and I twist. girls are frisky in New Buffalo. A pretty little chick wherever